y'all, welcome to Fish Sauce Mama. Look at these yummy ripe avocados. And here we are making guacamole today. Look at that. Yummy. You gotta try it. So I have about half of onions finely chopped, and I scooped all the avocados in here. I have six. And in here, I have half a tablespoon of salt. I'm trying to sprinkle it around so it won't be too chunky. And here is my little sweetie Alex. She always want to be in the video. So here I add another half a tablespoon of sugar and three Roma tomato finely chopped. And here comes a little one also wants to cook. And squeeze in a lime. This was a pretty big lime. And cut in some cilantro, and that's it, guys. Usually I would add jalapenos in here for a good cake, but today I'm making for a bunch of people who might not like spices like I do. I just kind of toss it up and roughly chop down the avocados because the chunky is what I like. And that's it. And you just transfer it into a bowl and put it in the fridge before the party. So I had about 12 people, 12 adults. That was 6 avocados, but it depends on how people love your avocado. You can make more, you can make less. But this will last maybe 12 people. Will be good. And here is the bite. It's you know what, you gotta make it. It's so good. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy the videos. And please subscribe to my channel. And bye bye. Avocado in the fridge now.